It's not just Benue, I'm visiting everywhere in Nigeria. And remember what I said, that I will not serve Nigeria from Abuja. I will serve them from their various states. I'm going to visit all the states, discuss with the stakeholders in the state what we need to do in order to stop turning around the states. Because in a federating unit, the federating, the sub-national is a critical part of development of the whole. So you need to visit them consistently and always. And that's what I'm going to do. How do we feed the number we have already? You know, before we talk about regulating those who are yet unborn, it's a question of we can make that number become an economic asset instead of an economic liability if we can make the country productive. After China is 1.4 billion, India is 1.4 billion, and they are doing well. They've moved. China HDI today is high. India have moved to medium. We're still low, even when we are 1/7 of their population. So for me, it's how do we make this number an asset and a component of production? You see it. I go everywhere, like I said. I came to address them. They invited me, and I came to address them on issues that, of course, breadth of a lot of issues that Nigeria is facing through, so that we can talk about Nigeria, talk about the next election, which I said is the essential election. If you look at, just like you said yesterday, they released that Nigeria is 216, but they also say Nigeria is 130 million is in poverty. And that is what should concern us. And that's what I'm concerned about. How do we start pulling people out of poverty? It is critical. When I see these populations and everything, so that's how I came to brief them. That the election is coming next year. Let them elect people justly, not that people are paying them money to elect them or this. Let them think about their children being in school. Let them think about what they will do when they leave school and everything. Building a nation is job of government and all various agencies within the nation. For me, I don't know what is the reason behind the resign of the currency, so I can't make so much comment about it because there might be something they know that I don't know. But for me, I still maintain that Nigeria is not a productive country. We must make it productive. We must make it productive. I repeated it twice. Because if we get it up and running very well, you will see that the whole thing will start changing. Everybody, we must reduce cost of governance, the criminality, corruption within government space. There's no country of the world that have eliminated everything completely. But ours is at an unacceptable level. So we must drastically reduce it to a minimal level where we will use every resource should be put into production. And you see the country change.